So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to animate those architecture renders and fast. So basically, I just want you to go to this website. It's going to be called convertthatlayapix.com and just log into the account. I've just used my dummy Google account to log in and I'm inside Layapix. Next one is upload the photo that you want to animate. So I'm just going to use the sample photo I got from Midjourney. It's going to be this one. Let's wait for it to finish uploading, okay? By the way, I just want to let you know that this website has these things that called credits. So you have to pay for them so you can use the website, but there is a free credit limit every free account, or rather every new account. So as you can see right there, once I upload it, it's already animated. So Layapix gives you an option to animate the style or change the style. For example, right here, animate style, I want it to move horizontal. Now it's moving horizontal. I want it to move in wide circle. That is perfectly good also. However, I want it to move in the best way for me possible, perspective. Because the architecture wants their perspective to be viewed as much as possible. Now, next option is going to be animation length. So the longer the animation, the better. Because if you put it in a very short time, it's moving too fast and that's gonna make me dizzy personally. So I just want to let you know that this feature right here, the limit here is your imagination. So it's really up to you how to design it, it's by your own discretion. So the amount of motion right here is the same thing as the animation length. This is how fast it moves. The bottom here, right, animation motion is how much it moves. Now focus points, basically choosing by far or close the way it moves. So it's really up to you again here, so I'm just gonna go to the middle. It's getting very dizzy if you haven't gonna use that. So edge dilation, this is gonna be by less, edge to edge or no. It's the same thing actually for amount of motion for me. Now these are the basics one, but if you wanna take it another step, go to advanced editor and click on this amplitude X. If you want it, for example, zooming in only, remove this X and Y and maximize amplitude Z. So as you can see, it's like zooming in option. It removed the circle motion earlier though, but right now it's just zooming in. Now those are the basic steps or basic edits on Layapix that can render your architecture fast, or rather animate your renders fast, okay? So thank you so much for watching, please hit the like button, subscribe, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Goodbye for now.